The national capital is preparing for the Delhi Half Marathon, and Vedanta is preparing and all geared up to organize this Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon. And we have with us Ms. Priya Agarwal, who is the director of Vedanta and the face of the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon. We welcome you, Priya.
Thank you so much for having me.
So to start with, could you tell us what this Vedanta and Delhi Half Marathon collaboration tie-up actually entails?
So, we started last year, and it's an absolute opportunity, absolute, privilege for us to be a part of the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon, the largest half marathon in the world. You know, the stories that we heard about the Delhi Half Marathon over the years, how it's done so much for the city, so much for the country, so much for sport, so much for gender parity. Women have started running. It's just such a beautiful event, and it brings people together, not just for competition, not just for health. Everyone is running for a larger purpose,
right.
and Vedanta has a mission. From my father since the day I was born. His dream has always been to really work towards eradicating malnourishment. We have such a huge population of children who are malnourished. So it's a great cause to be able to get 35,000 people on ground running, running for that one cause. Every kilometer they run, we feed a child. And so far, just in our employees, 29,000 employees have been running. And we've been tracking them, their kilometers. We've already reached 3.5 million meals, and this year we really target 5 million meals. So it's a cause. It's great, and hashtag Run for Zero Hunger is what we believe in, and this really brings everything together.
Right.
Yeah.
What was the target like last year? Like you said, mentioned this year it's going to be 5 million.
Yeah.
So how has it increased from last year to now? How have you seen the participation increase from the Delhi crowd?
Yeah. So last year our target was 1 million, and we realized that just with our employee participation, we reached the 1 million mark before the marathon day.
Okay.
And we were so, I had goosebumps when I heard. And we were so thrilled. And on the day after the marathon was run, we hit 2 million meals.
Right.
So this year we said that, look, 2 million is bare minimum. Let's aim for 3 million. And look at this with the employees, with our entire Vedanta family, running for this larger purpose. The passion that they've all shown these past few weeks, these past few months. In fact, since last year, I feel everyone's gotten healthier. Everyone is running every morning. It's built such a beautiful community, and now here we are at 5 million meals.
Right,
Yeah.
right. And Run for Zero Hunger, like as you spoke, and as we see here also, 1 kilometer equals to 1 meal, miles for meals,
Yeah.
right? So what sort of tie-ups do you have with which organizations or NGOs around to actually bring this into implementation?
So what's wonderful is that we have a project called the Nanghar Project, which is transforming Anganwadis in the country. We already have 5,500 plus Nanghars. We have an MOU for another 25,000, and we really have a dream of converting all 13 lakh Anganwadis in the country into Nanghars. And through this initiative, we look at feeding children. We have scientifically prepared nutrition for children to get them out of the malnourished category into the healthy category, and so getting that having that with us already gave us an absolute advantage to be able to feed even more children than we already do. So that's how we're going to be fulfilling the 5 million meals.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, another point which I would want to cover here is last year when the marathon was happening, there was a lot in the news that how the Delhi air, which is normally polluted, is also being cleaned for the runners to actually run across the path, the cross that was actually taken care of, right? So how is that taken care of, and how is that taken care of right now this year?
No, but that's what's absolutely wonderful. Just because of this marathon, and you've absolutely answered the question, just because of the marathon, so much initiative has been taken in Delhi to ensure that the air is cleaner, to ensure that everyone is running safely, and to ensure that and I think each and every year that this happens, where there's more and more happening, whether it's corporates, whether it's organizations, whether it's the government, everyone really working together to ensure that you know, our air improves, and it's one of the wonderful things about the marathon.
So apart from this, Vedanta Delhi Marathon is ticking off a lot of sustainable goals
Right.
with the marathon, with organizing the marathon.
Absolutely.
So could you shed some light on what these goals are? Like, in what all segments are you aiming towards sustainability?
So sustainability is at the root and really at the heart of Vedanta. We've always had, you know, today our ESG rating globally in all mining companies #6, and you know we're in the top 10. This is something that's very, very close to our heart, and the marathon just adds to that. You know, we have 9 ESG goals. We are looking at becoming, you know, net zero carbon before 2050. We're looking at becoming water positive by 2030. You know, more than 50% of our units are already water positive. We're looking at impacting the lives of 100 million women and children. We're looking at, in a company, in a sector like mining and resources, which is seen as a heavily male-dominant, you know, sector. We are looking at 50% gender parity across our employment. In fact, just a few years ago, women were legalized to go underground and mine. Vedanta was the first company in India to get women to go underground, and you know, they're doing jobs that you wouldn't imagine once that women could do, whether it's rescue, whether it's lifting, forklifting, you know, they are doing everything and more. So we've really, you know, it's so evident that there's nothing that a woman cannot do. And again, the marathon, like I mentioned, you know, when they started the Delhi Half Marathon, majority were, you know, men. We only had a few % of women running. Today, that's increased, I think, by 20 or 30%. Women are running, women are getting out there, you know, and zero safety. You know, there's, you know, we're zero issues with safety. When you talk about Delhi, you know, there's so much, you know, we talk about the country, there's so many question marks that people, you know, here we have 35,000 you know, men and women running on ground, and there's not been a single issue of safety.
Right.
So it's just so wonderful that you know it's serving a larger purpose than just, you know, just one individual running for health. It's doing so many things for the country.
Right. And lastly, it won't be fair if we finish before asking this question, because you're talking about marathon and you are the face of the Vedanta Delhi Marathon, half marathon. What does running mean to you?
So for me, you know, like, and you know, we were talking about this earlier. I'm a huge lover of music, and the best time for me, early in the mornings, I'm an early riser. 6 in the morning, putting my best music on in my ears and just running is the most therapeutic thing for me. My entire day becomes so much better just by doing that. So, you know, everything else aside, health aside, I think it's something that's so good for our, you know, our entire mental health. Right. It's so good for just, you know, having a more positive outlook on life. That early morning run with great music is just everything that I need to have a good day, to seize the day.
Yeah, and the marathon aligning in the same week as we celebrated the Mental Health Week day
exactly.
as well.
Absolutely.
It just adds to the...
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you so much for speaking
Thank you
with
so
us,
much.
and thank you so much for being on ET Now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.